Okay, so Claude AI. I keep seeing this name everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, like everywhere. And I'm like, what is actually going on with this thing? So I spent the last 1 month, like one full month, studying about Claude AI, and I found 6 ways you can actually make real money with this tool. And I divided them into 3 categories. We have the passive income, the fast money, and long-term business. So stay with me because some of these will shock you. Okay, first, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Stephanie. I'm an African girl living in Cyprus, and I talk about making money online through UGC, digital product, investing, remote income, all of that. And lately, Claude AI has been taking over my brain. Like, I'm not even joking. When I wake up, I open my laptop, all I do is to research, test, take down notes. And after 1 month of doing that, I came up with this list, and I would love to share it with you because honestly, some of these are so accessible. Like, you don't need to be a tech expert, you don't need experience, you just need to know where to start. So I divided the 6 ways into 3 categories. Category 1, passive income. This is money that comes in even when you don't work for it. Category 2, fast money. This is when you offer a service right now and get paid. Category 3, long-term business. Things that take time but build something real. Okay, let's dive into the first category, which is passive income. And the first method is selling AI prompts. In case you don't know what AI prompts is all about, prompt is basically you giving an instruction to Claude or any AI tool like ChatGPT to get a specific result. And people are selling this on platforms like PromptBase, Etsy, or even Gumroad. So imagine if you create a set of prompts for, let's say, real estate agents, skincare brand owners, or UGC creators. You write, let's say, 20 prompts, you put them in a PDF or Notion doc, and you can sell them for, like, let's say $9, $15, or $25. And here's the thing, you write it once and it sells over and over again. That is passive income, and that is money that comes in even while you sleep. And Claude AI can help you to write these prompts. Method number 2, selling courses on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or School. And now I know what most of you are thinking. I don't know anything, or I'm not skilled at a particular thing. So what kind of course can I create? Make sure you clean that thought out of your head right now. If you know how to use Claude AI to do one specific thing, let's say writing caption, writing emails, pitching, whatever, that is enough to create a course. People are paying a lot of money to learn AI tools properly, and honestly, most of the courses out there are too complicated or technical. This is your opportunity. You come in as the regular person, that girl who figure it out, who can explain it in the simplest way ever, and you teach exactly what you know. I'm telling you, $19 for a course on Skillshare, even if 100 people buys it, that is real money. And honestly, Claude can help you structure everything from your course outline, from your script, what to say. All you have to do is to have the knowledge, to be skilled at a particular thing, and then you prompt it to Claude to help you organize everything properly, step by step. That's it. So if you're watching me right now and you're sleeping on this particular opportunity, it's time for you to wake up. You can even record with your phone. Now, let's move to fast money. That's the second category. And honestly, this is the quickest way you can get paid today using Claude. Offering AI-powered writing services. And what does it mean? It means that you use Claude to help you write things for other people and you charge for it. It could be blog posts, email newsletters, social media captions, brand scripts, LinkedIn content, UGC video scripts, which I know very well because that's what I do. Now listen, you are not just copying and pasting what Claude gives you. You are the human in this process. And where do you find these clients? You can find them on Fiverr, Upwork, cold DMs to small businesses, or Instagram DMs. Honestly, as a UGC creator myself, I know how badly brands need good writing, and most of them don't even have time to do it. You can start this week No portfolio, no degree, no work experience, just you, Claude, and a Fiverr account. Now, the long-term business section, and this is where it gets really interesting because I know one of these could change your life in the next 5 years. Like, I'm not exaggerating, that's the truth. Long-term business category, method number 4, starting a YouTube channel about AI tools. Yes, I know YouTube is slow, like you don't see money for months, you have to build it before you start seeing money. But right now, AI content is exploding. The search volume for things like how to use Claude AI, Claude versus ChatGPT, best AI tools for content creators is growing every day. And the creators who start now, while it's still early, are going to be the ones people will be watching in the next 2 years. And that is a lot of money. And you don't need to be a tech expert, you just need to be one step ahead of your audience, and you document what you learn as you learn. That's literally what this video is all about. I spent 1 month studying about Claude AI, and now I'm making a video about it. That's the whole strategy. The money comes from ad revenue, sponsorship, affiliate links to AI tools, and it compounds. And the more videos you make, the more money you get, even in the long run. Method 5, this one sounds scary, but please don't click away. Building a SaaS app using AI. What is SaaS? SaaS stands for software as a business, which is a tool people pay a monthly fee to use. And here's what changed. You no longer need to know how to code to build one of these tools. Claude AI can literally write codes for you. You explain what you want, it builds it for you, you test it, you refine, and you launch. Now, obviously, this is not something you can do for 1 week. Sometimes it takes weeks, it takes months, but people who are building these tools, like tools that can help you pitch brands, pitch template, Notion, scheduling tools, all those types of tools, they are making a lot of money from them. I'm talking someone pays you, let's say $10 or $20 a month for a tool, and then you get like 100 people paying for that tool monthly. That's a lot of money every month that automatically comes into your account. Is it easy to do this? No. Is it possible to do it without being a developer? Yes. And I actually saved one more method that I personally think is the most underrated on this list. Method 6. This one ties everything together. Using Claude to create and sell digital products. Oh my God. People are making a lot of money from this method. Like, not just prompts, I'm talking guides, templates, tools, a lot of things you can use Claude to create and sell as digital products. You can use Claude to help you research, write, and design the product, and you sell them on platforms like Gumroad, StanStop, Beyang, Payhip, a lot of platforms out there. Just choose the one that you can comfortably use or it is easy to access. And the beautiful thing is that everything I just said in this video, Claude actually helped me to organize my thought. Like, Claude is part of how I run my creator business. So when I say you can make money with Claude, I'm not just reading from the internet, I'm talking with experience. And if you're like me, an African girl or someone not from a tech background who is building online in a country that is not their home, I want you to know that this is for you too. You don't need to have been born in a Silicon Valley to benefit from this. All you have to do is to start. So if this video helped you a little bit, please subscribe, comment which of this method you would like to start first. I genuinely want to know, and I read all comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, this is video 6 of my 80 days video challenge before the end of this year. See you in the next one. Bye.